back to the doghouse today. Keith's over today. We're going to put the headlights in the Fargo and put the front clip back on, and hopefully this will be the last time we put it on. But anyway, hang tight. We'll see what kind of foolishness we can get up to today. Okay, Keith's working at putting the lights in. I think I'm going to paint those rings black. They stand out too much. Yeah, thanks, Keith.
Okay. Just in case you want me to point to them.
Yeah, so we got these here wired up. Signal lights at the bottom. There's the, yeah. I don't know what he's doing now. Oh,
Putting a screw in the bottom so that the body man can fix it properly.
oh yeah. Yeah, we got to wait for
I want it installed properly. I don't want to get in any trouble.
Perfect. Or good enough for this ride.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're rolling.
Rocking and rolling.
We need to go down.
Just to test it.
Oh,
Make sure it's still going to work. No, you won't be able to get that hook out on the other side. It's down too low. There you go. There you go. Might be able to wiggle off once we get it down there.
yeah, I think once we get it down low enough. Okay, do you want to go down?
I can.
Going.
Now those lines go.
The lines go here.
Yeah, okay.
Go bend them when you get down lower. Down. Keep going. Down.
You're sitting on them now.
Say what?
You're sitting on them now.
Huh?
No, not anymore. I'm sitting on.
Why don't you go to the side there?
Okay.
There you go. See, this is why I want to take the tires off. I'm rubbing out the tire right now on the inside.
Yeah.
So I just hold it. Just tighten up just a smidgen. Right there. Just take the tires off.
Okay. Where's the red, can you go for the truck?
Red thing.
Yeah, it was in here.
Oh, I put it back in the toolbox.
Where's it's supposed to go? Why would you do that?
Well,
You actually put it in the toolbox.
I'm trying to change my ways, Keith.
Is that something new? Or
Yes.
trying something new again?
Yeah. Sorry.
I wish you'd let me know that.
I'll let you know when I change the rules. You know, you drastically look on the floor all over the place. Scan the perimeter. Okay, off. Here's off.
Kind of, sort of, what it's supposed to be. Now we're caught on this hose.
Yeah. You let it down, I'll take my clamp off. You'll need a 5/8 socket.
Yeah.
And,
Remember, the right bolt has to go in the right spot on that one, eh?
yeah, I forget which now. Hey guys, done for today. We went and put the front clip on. got it lined up and this sort of stuff, but it looks pretty good. And we're just going to leave it like that, and then we're going to come back tomorrow and finish putting the lights in and whatever else has to be done. So anyway, thanks for hanging around, and we'll see you tomorrow. Here. So anyway, Keith, we'll see you tomorrow, or the next day, or the day after that. Oh yeah, tomorrow we got to do a beer run.
That's right.
Yeah, so yeah, we won't be doing a video tomorrow. We've got to do a Coca-Cola run.
Well, we can do a video of the beer run.
Yeah, we'll bring you over to Quebec tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hey, Bandit?
A road tour.
Yeah, we're going, tomorrow's tour day. So anyway, this is what we did today. We made a mess, like every other day.
My side looks good.
Yeah, Keith's side looks good. Yeah. Yeah, so anyway, we got the front clip on, staying on exactly where it is. I got to do a little bit of work over top of the headlights, a little bit of Bondo in there to get them working good. And we got the sides looking good. I guess we should put some tires on it pretty soon too, eh? But anyway, guys, we'll see you whenever we get a chance to do some more on the truck, probably the day after tomorrow. Okay, talk later. Thank you. Oh, and like Dan says, keep on ranching.